Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. In the first step, we need to go to search bar, type your control panel and click here to open it. Once we are here, if you selected large icons, then change it to category. Just go to view by and select category. Then click on network and internet. Then click on network and sharing center. And from the particular connection, click on it. Select properties. Then select internet protocol version 4, that is TCP IPv4. Then click on properties. Once we are here, we need to set this DNS server address. Check this option, then just type here 8.8.8.8, press tab button to go into the alternate DNS server and type in 8.8.4.4. then click on OK. Close all windows one by one. Still not working, then just go to search bar, type your task manager, then click on run new task, select browse button, go to this PC, open C drive, then we need to open Windows folder, then go for system32 folder, open it. Now find out cmd.exe file. Here it is. Just select this and click on open. Now check this box. This will be our main file: C drive, Windows folder, system32 folder and cmd.exe. We need to check this box. This is very important. This will create this task with administrative privileges and click on OK. Now type the command ipconfig //DNS and hit enter. So to fix the issue, we need to restart the system. So type exit the close the command prompt and simply restart your system and problem will be solved for sure. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.